student, here we discuss oxidation state of different carbon. 2-pentanone. Here CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. This is 2-pentanone. This carbon is having -3 oxidation state. This methyl group is there both the side, terminating carbon, -3 carbon oxidation state of carbon, -3 oxidation state of this carbon. Okay, this carbon is having -2 oxidation state. Same here, -2 oxidation state here also, methylene group here -3, here -3, and this carbonyl carbon is having +2 oxidation state. Why? Because there are 2 bonds, and here this oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so it is having minus oxidation state, 2- oxidation state of oxygen. Here 2+ we have to write down because this molecule as a whole is neutral. So here total this carbon is having +2 oxidation state. Carbonyl carbon is having +2 oxidation state. So here we'll see that it is +2. Okay, this is -3. Here I have written -3 of methyl group, -3 of methyl group. CH2 both group are having -2 oxidation state. Why it is so? Earlier we discussed that 2 hydrogen are in positive oxidation state. Each hydrogen has positive oxidation state and joined to this carbon, so it is having -2. Same here. Now carboxylic carbon, this is carboxylic carbon. I have given name A, B, C, D. This is methyl group, it is having -3 oxidation state. This is methylene group, it is having -2 oxidation state. This is methylene group, also -2 oxidation state. Here, wait here, this oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So this is having oxygen is having -2 oxidation state. So this is balanced by +2 oxidation state over here, and here this oxygen is bonded with this hydrogen and this carbon. So with this carbon it is having -1. So -1 oxidation state of oxygen because it is more electronegative. So carbon is having 1 positive, 2 positive, 3 positive. 3 positive state of this carboxylic carbon is there. So 3 positive here, but here -2, -2, -3. Okay, rest in all these minus oxidation state of carbon. In this carbon, since oxygen is more electronegative, so carbon is having total 3 positive oxidation state. A, B, C, D I have written. So A +3, B carbon is a -2, C carbon -2, and D carbon -3. Carbon tetrachloride, all chlorine are more electronegative than carbon, so it is getting -1, -1 oxidation state. So this carbon is having +4 oxidation state. Okay, carbon. And now in CH3Cl, hydrogen having positive oxidation state. This is having -, but this Cl is having -, so carbon is having +1, +1. Total 3 + 1 -1. So total what will be there? -2 oxidation state of this carbon. In this case, oxidation state is